Welcome everybody once again. Nice to see so many people here for Embedded Recipes. Welcome to Nice, welcome to France. Hope you're all enjoying the weather, the sunshine, not too hot yet. But yeah, glad you're all here. Welcome to our 7th edition for 2026. I'm gonna kick us off with a few logistical announcements and get us going, and then we'll get our next speaker going pretty quickly here. So first of all, as always, thank you to all of our sponsors. This event is made possible by the generosity of our sponsors. So, and several of them have demo tables and stuff to show off and stuff to give away upstairs in the coffee room. So feel free to visit them and check out their materials. And several of them have also donated some prizes for the game tomorrow night. So we'll have some giveaways from our sponsors for that as well. Here's a little map of the park. There's signs around the park. You're free to, during the breaks, or if you don't feel like listening to a talk, you can wander around the park and the zoo, check out the area. We're up here in the upper right in the auditorium, but you can feel free to wander around the park as you wish. There's some QR codes that have this map on it too if you want to scatter around so you can explore the park on your own. There are restrooms outside as well. So the main restrooms are here kind of under this room, but there's only one here. And last year it was kind of a bottleneck. There was long lines and stuff. So there are restrooms just outside in the park. There's some signage out there as well to find the restroom. So feel free to wander around. Yes, as you probably already noticed, we have some food and drink upstairs for coffee breaks. And there's also, for lunch is going to be outside, not upstairs. Lunch will be outside. There's kind of a snack area just outside there where we'll have lunch. If you asked us about dietary restrictions, vegetarian or gluten-free, you should have like a green dot on your badge. And so there'll be a line for the dietary restrictions and then a line for everything else. So just take note of that for lunchtime. And you are welcome to take your food and your drink pretty much anywhere in the park except for in this room. We're not allowed to have any food or drink in here. There are signs up there, but they're in French, so if you don't read French, you don't know. But now you know. No food or drink in this room, but feel free to take when you have your snack or when you have your lunch, you can wander around the park with your food and enjoy it as you wish. For actually getting upstairs, you can actually go out either of these doors on the sides and get up there, or you can kind of come around the bottom doors and get up as well too. So there are a few ways to get up there. That's that. Actually, last year we said no Wi-Fi. This year there is Wi-Fi, but it still is. Please be gentle with the Wi-Fi. They told me they're used to having 40 or so people using the Wi-Fi here. So if you're European and have your unlimited data on your Sims, just use that. If you don't, you can use the Wi-Fi, but be gentle. We're live streaming the event as well. It's in theory not sharing the Wi-Fi. It has a fixed line, but we haven't actually fully validated that. So that's what we think will happen. But so I may get up here and say get off the Wi-Fi at some point, but we'll figure that out. But please be gentle with the Wi-Fi. And if it doesn't work, it's because there's too many people on it probably. So for the Embedded Recipes, we're in our 7th year. We're kind of continuing the tradition. So each year I like to see what's new and what's staying the same. So there's a few things new this year. We opened it up to a few more people this year. And this year we have over 230 people that signed up. So that's a little bigger. The Embedded Week for the events happening before and after this event has grown as well. So there are several events. There was some yesterday. There's several more Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's pretty exciting to see, like people coming for more of the week, enjoying Nice and enjoying the beach and enjoying meeting up with each other. So it's nice to see that grow. And then for the rest, we're continuing the same tradition. So this kind of one room, one track. Highly technical content, hearing from the experts themselves and meeting new people and just kind of focusing on the social side of the conferences as well. So we can hang out together tonight, eat and drink together, have lunch together, and so on. So And the other tradition that continues is Frank is here. We'll be doing some sketches. He's down here in the front now, but he'll be wandering around doing some sketches and capturing various parts of the event. So we'll be distributing those as well. If you do, we'll have Frank's drawings up here on the stage later on as the event goes along. If you do see yourself or recognize yourself, feel free to take the drawing at the end of the day. And then also we have our catch box microphone here. So after each talk, there's time for Q&A. So I'll be throwing the catch box around for question and answer too. So the slides will be available online for all the speakers that are in the room that haven't yet uploaded your slides. Please upload your slides. If you go to the CFP page where you submitted your talk, there'll be a section where you can upload your slides. I sent you all an email about that. So several of you have done it already, thank you, but they'll automatically show up in the schedule. So if you find the talk in the schedule, you can download slides from there. And then, yes, thanks to the Baylib staff for helping organize the event. If you see, we all have these shirts with staff on the back. If you have questions about logistics or anything like that, feel free to ask anybody with the staff shirts on to help out. Most of us are kind of engineers by day, so organizing an event is not our daily work, so be patient with us, but yeah, feel free to ask questions if you have them. We'll help with what we can. And then, yeah, if you are the social media type, feel free to spread the word about the event, and share your photos, share what you want, help spread the words about embedded recipes. I think that's it. It feels like I missed something, though, in the chaos. No? I think that's it. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'll invite up our first speaker. Oh, yeah, we're going to have a mixture of kind of normal talks and lightning talks, so some 40-minute talks, some 15-minute talks. And in between, there'll be a little break, like a couple-minute breaks while we switch computers and change things around. Feel free to stand up and stretch your legs or move around a little bit as you need to, but the time between slots are fairly quick. But yeah, move around as you need to. And so, yeah, I'll invite up Paul for our first talk. And thank you all for coming once again.